So I'll go check out a little land clear log site. It's someplace in BC. That's cool. Old UH 07, 1984, 5, 1986. Not too many of these around. Hydraulic thumb, CWS bucket, quad thumb, quick change. It's all good and modern there. These were the Cadillac in their day. They set the standard. This was when the excavators went from just they could dig a hole to they got real classy. And that was considered a pretty... Well, except I see linkage rods coming down from it. That NDTEC is a timber mark for private land. So that's the numbers they would write on the log with a crayon. That would say where it's from, who owns it, where it's going, if there's any federal or any provincial government stumpage due on it. That's neat. It takes me back to being a kid, teenager. You can show up on a site and have a look like this, and this is the kind of iron you'd see.